This is my thing, and this is the part we just made, that we're going to screw it on there so that we have that extra few inches for my feet. We got our pillar cut. Gonna save this piece. Who knows, we might need it again one of these days. This is our support that's cut to size. Try to get about the same amount off of each end. There and over here, over there. Okay, now we need to staple this side first. We want to staple this side down. I'm hoping we can get it to hold with just a few staples. The hard part, not only do you have to pull it really, really tight, but you've got to pull it over. Pull it that way and this way. It's going to look like you want to be a professional. Gaining on it. You still want to pull it tight. Since everything's working okay, we can come in, finish stapling these. Okay, fold this up best you can. Take a look at it. Like I say, I'm not a professional, but we're trying to look like one. And there we go. What do you think? See? I knew you could do it. It's my footrest.